The room is ready now for the flooring to be installed in the steps and baseboard to be installed all around the garage and in the bathroom. Diane and I cleaned it up, dusted it out, so it will be a more friendly work environment. So Patrick with Carpet One is going to be installing tile on the stairs. Same tile as the landing there and the bathroom will be installed on the flat surfaces and on the back of each step. And the work begins. The sound you hear in the background are the cackling geese. And this time of year, they're migrating. It's fun to watch them. Whole bunch of cackling geese. Right in the sun. Can't tell if I have them on video, but there they are. Some of them. There's an interlocking edge on the tile. It's a floating floor system. So that's how that works. The back is like rubber, so you don't need any other material on the floor. You have a family?
Growing one. My wife's pregnant with our first right now.
Congratulations.
So just found out it's a little baby girl, so
wow.
Yeah, we're very excited.
Not a big reveal party then, huh?
Yeah, it was just kept it intimate.
Nice. So the flooring will overlap. I guess the back.
Yeah, I put the back on first, and then I'll put that and butt up to it.
Okay. Will that texture be a problem on the paint?
No, the glue's strong enough, it'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks nice.
Yeah, I'm just kind of dry fitting it right now.
Yeah.
And then I'll make sure I glue it in later, but it will look really nice.
Have you done steps like this before, or?
I've done a lot of steps. I haven't done exactly like this design, but do a lot of steps where you put it on the backsplash right there, and I think it looks great.
Nice. It's so easy to bump your foot on the painted surface. I'm constantly having to get the dirt off, but
no, this will be a good way, to keep it
clean.
Keep it clean, that's for sure. We do it two different ways. If you're hourly, then you get supplied tools and a van and everything like that. But if you get paid by the square foot, then you buy all your own tools and stuff.
Oh, okay. So you're more independent that way.
Yeah.
Those fancy angle cuts are for the corner piece.
On too far, that'll just look kind of weird. I think that's a natural ending spot right there.
Same with each step. The backsplash will end at the end of the step, or kickboard, or whatever you want to call it that. In a sink, it's a backsplash.
You're right. I do probably do the most steps at the company, I would say. But we're all good.
So far, I've been really impressed. You did, Carpet One did the entire house for us, and
oh, really? Right on.
same material, a little different color, if you will. We're not into the dark colors that are so exotically trying to look like marble or something. Is just too much.
Right.
We like the subtle.
No, I think this looks great.
Yeah. Time for gluing. Is that glue specific for this type of material?
Not necessarily for this type of material, but it's like the, you know, one of the strongest construction adhesives they make. So
Oh, okay.
it's the one that I always use for stairs.
Nice. The interlocking edge there is a little bit dicey when you're doing glue. It's no longer a floating floor. Vary in the size of pieces.
Oh no, I'm just doing this. This is just a scrap piece.
Oh.
With that.
Sacrificial wedge to
Yep.
knock it in.
There we go.
What's the dry time of that glue?
It dries pretty quick, like, you know, about 4 hours, but if you were to have people walking on it, like I'm gonna glue the steps as well, so I like to be about 12 hours on that any
Okay.
walking.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
It's the Wingate factory. Seems like something always goes wrong.
I don't think you're alone in that aspect there.
Do you hear stories?
I live them.
Oh, okay. Little adjustment to get it even. Patrick takes a lot of time here to make sure it looks good.
You know it.
See, this one here's down a little bit, but that's easily fixed. And then once you get the steps in, it's all covered up.
Exactly.
Wow, does that look sharp? Looks like we planned this. Now, I was a little concerned about these gaps that you had here, if that was going to be a problem with the
Nope,
flooring.
not at all. The stair nose will span that just fine.
Oh, good.
It tucks in right there.
Okay.
So you go here, and then it sits flush right on top there. Because if you go all the way over and you put it on, then you have this big gap.
Okay, I see. Is that how this was done too?
That's how that was done as well.
Okay. So even a YouTube creator can benefit from their how-to videos.
Right? I think that'll probably look the best.
Talking about this end piece, what is the best way to make that work? And Patrick has a really cool idea. Just take a little bit of off that that tile he's removing now. So this can come right up to the end of the above step.
Never get everything always perfect there.
Another little gentle adjustment. Now we got some glue going. That was just a wrap packaging of that strip there. It's not a conventional angle, so it makes it a little complicated to custom cut. It's a puzzle.
Yeah, these angles are so funky that they use there.
For me, anything that comes out of a tube like caulk and glue, it generally gets all over my hands.
I try my best.
So I wear gloves, but then they start to stick together.
Right.
And I tend to overwork caulk too, trying to get it smooth. And
Yeah, if you touch it too many times, it ends up looking worse than if you
Yep.
would have never touched it.
down she goes.
Yeah, if you aren't careful, they'll start throwing pine cones at you.
The squirrels there seem to be not afraid of people, and I'm thinking it's because of the evidence of all the peanut shells. People are feeding the squirrels, and they think, "Oh, you're here to feed me."
That's
Okay.
for sure.
And so they go up the tree, and then they come back down, and they look at you, and they look at our dog, and it drives her nuts. Look at that. I can't wait to step on it. I'll lock the door from the inside as a reminder.
There you go.
Need to give it at least 24 hours.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put some tape on it right now to hold it in place, and then you can just rip that tape off tomorrow.
Okay. The tape helps secure it for a while so it doesn't just fall off, I guess. Laying out the glue for the bottom step. Turns out there's not quite enough material for completing this today, but we'll get her done sooner than later. Well, it looks nice, but it's incomplete because they ran out of product, forgot to place the order. It'll be a couple of weeks at least before it arrives, and they'll reschedule another return to finish it up. Except for that detail, it really looks cool. We're very pleased the way this is turning out. It just takes us way too long to get stuff done.